A safe and healthy city relies on strong, reliable infrastructure. That's why it's important to invest in our water, sanitary, and stormwater systems, not only to keep the city flowing, but to prevent major disruptions and more costly issues down the road. It's the smart thing to do. We're proud to share the many accomplishments over the past year. Over 6 kilometers of water, sewer, and storm pipes were replaced in 2018. This new infrastructure helps to ensure safe and reliable utility services. With new investment, we were able to expand our water main cleaning program, which reduces sediment in the water mains and helps to improve overall water quality. This program contributed to a 48% reduction in discolored water complaints in 2018. We completed 55 storm main repairs, which is a 27% increase over 2017. This helps to prevent future flooding for private and public property. A new catch basin cleaning program removed 300,000 kilograms of sediment, preventing it from entering streams and the Grand River. This helps improve water quality for both drinking and playing. Additional investment allowed for preventative maintenance on 20% of the city's water valves to improve the overall reliability of our water system. We were able to increase the hotspot flushing program to help decrease the risk of sewer backups. 72 kilometers were flushed in 2018. 2,200 properties have been protected against backflow and cross-contamination, which improves the overall safety of the drinking water system. These projects and many others capped a busy 2018, but it's just the start of our long-term plan in improving the city's water infrastructure. It's part of our commitment to providing safe and reliable services and keeping you well informed along the way.